This is the evening news with Arnold Chester. Now, here is Arnold Chester.
Hello everyone, this is the evening news. I am your anchor Arnold Chester. There has been an interesting event in Glenwood Springs, Colorado. It seems an airborne toxic chemical has led to many deaths in the town. This report is disputed and has been called a cover-up. According to sources who choose to remain anonymous, a paranormal event has occurred. Federal officials state that it is not a paranormal event. According to the Centers for Disease Control, this airborne chemical causes meningitis and death within 10 minutes. As a result, a quarantine of the entire town is in effect. Please stay tuned for further updates on this developing situation.
This is the emergency alert system. The Centers for Disease Control and Prevention has issued an emergency action notification. The city of Glenwood Springs is now under quarantine. All civilian vehicles traveling to Glenwood Springs must turn back and follow detours set up by military officials. All attempts at entering the secure area will result in arrest and quarantine. Rest assured that the airborne poison has been contained. Nearby communities have been evacuated. All evacuated citizens will be compensated financially for any lost work days. Emergency officials thank you for your cooperation.